iOS development project. So as you have seen the screen, here I have already made a game. I have named it First Step. How actually it works, just let's see. Click to play. So I'm just giving a click, and then it's the interface of my game. Then I'll have to tap the start button and look at it. This is a timer. This will allow us to play the game for this second, and in this time we'll have to click this. And okay, that means that in the 10 seconds I have made 19 taps and it's my score. Okay, then I'll have a restart button, then I'll be able to play again. So this is a very simple, short and addictive game actually. Okay, you scored 53 taps. Okay, so how actually you made it? In the code section there is something pretty cool stuff. This is the actually designing part of this game. Here I have used two view controller, one for the first UI section and another for the main UI section. Okay, so how actually we did that? We actually did that by taking a button here. Okay, and then it's actually also a button, whether it is taking that, whether it is calling us to start the game. Okay, this is the our tab section, how many tabs we are making in the particular time, and this is our timer. Okay, that means it starts with 10. That means the game will allow us to play in 10 seconds, and this is the name of the game. Okay, so our main part is viewcontroller.m and viewcontroller.h. So viewcontroller.h, I have added the particular property of that labels that we have already seen in the main.storyboard, all of these things. And the viewcontroller.m section, actually this is the main part of our game. So in the view did load, we have taken the time is equal to 10. That means we will be able to play the game for the 10 seconds. If we can make it 20, then we will be able to play the game for 20 seconds. But as it is a short game and we try to make this game very addictive, then it will be so much good if we take 10 to 15 seconds. 10 will be much good, I think. Okay, so in the initial section our score will be 0, and this value of game int is taken to use actually another property in the letter. Okay, so first of all, self.timeLabel.text, it will tell us the time level, which will be show the time, initial time that we have already seen in the game section. Okay, here the time, it will be telling us 10 and the score will be 0, and these two things is controlled in the code section by these two variable. Okay, so if the time is equal to 10, then we will be able to play the game. Okay, so in the score, how actually the score will be increasing. If the game int is equal to 1, then when will be game int is equal to 1? Whether our we are starting our game, then the game int will be 1 actually. First of all, we have declared here the game int, the variable, the value of the variable will be 0. So here we are calling that if the game int, that variables particulars value will be 1, then the score will be increasing. Okay, okay, this is very good. And here if the time is less, that means if the time will be decreasing from 10 to 9 seconds, then the game it will be 1, and then we will be able to play the game. Okay, so this is a very actually easy code. I'll be uploading it in the description sector. You will be able to download this from the Google Drive sections, and I think this is a very good short projects in iOS development using Objective-C. Actually nothing very hard here, so I think you will be able to understand the code by yourself. Thank you guys. If you have any kind of doubt about any sections, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be helping you guys in replying the comments. So thank you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Cheers.